Jodi and John look like Miyoung's parents, but why? Why? I don't see it. Am I the only one that doesn't see it? Like where? Like, but why? Like, okay, actually, kind. Wait, actually, kind of. I kind of see it. I can kind of see it. I kind of see it. Wait, I can. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, I kind of see it. It's the clothes. It's the clothes, guys. It's because I look. Oh goodness. Oh no. Oh, I guess. I kind, kind. Oh man, it kind of does, doesn't it? Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. And I'm shook. Wait, why am I shook? I'm so whoa, whoa.